Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we will create our first dashboard and report with Power BI. We will work on the dataset, finance dataset of company called Flavor Street. It's just imaginary dataset and the imaginary company which I created with ChatGPT. So we will just dive into the dataset. We will learn how to create a report and dashboard. So firstly, we will understand the difference between report and dashboard. Then we will move forward with creating our first report, which will be two-page report, which will contain pages like the operational overview and financial overview about Flavor Street. And in the dashboard, we will create a simple, concise dashboard from those reports. And after that, we will also learn to download the files and everything about it. So let's move to the Power BI service and let's start by creating our first report. So before moving forward with creating a report, I wanted to just explain you the difference between report and dashboard within a few seconds. So basically, report has multiple pages, which might be two or more than two, and it is detailed and interactive, like it shows detailed and interactive analysis. We can deep dive into things and study the historical insights with report, and we can also create multiple reports, for example sales reports, financial statement, KPI summary. But apart from this, the dashboards are quite different. They are just a single page, and they are used to make a quick decisions and performance tracking, like they show each and everything concisely. So they are just a single page. For example, we can say executive sales dashboard, which just says each and every detail within a few visuals about sales. Also, we can take example of operations KPI dashboard, and there are multiple examples. So you will also understand what I am trying to explain you when you will work on the examples. So I hope you have already opened the Power BI service. So now we will click on new report option, and there are multiple options here available to import the data. Like you can import Excel file, CSV file, paste or manually import, like enter the data, but we will click on Excel file. So here are like you can also provide link and other options. So I will click on upload file and just go to browse option and upload my file. I will provide this file in the description with the link, so you can download it and use it. Yeah, so I have uploaded our Flavor Street financial dashboard dataset. And now here it takes some time, just wait for some moment. Yeah, now I guess we have our data set, and just we will try to open it. So here we can see there are multiple columns and rows in our data set. It also has few issues, like there are many columns and rows with null, so we will need to remove them. So I will first click on transform data, and here we have our Power Query editor, which is quite strong. It's easy to remove things with Power Query editor, so we will just click on this column 11 and try to remove it, because it has all the null values, and it will create issues while working on the data. Now we have to add one more column, which is the net profit column. So I just click on add column option, and now I'm inserting the formula. You can also follow the steps to insert the formula to find net profit. We can directly select the columns to insert the formula from these options, and I will just insert the formula quickly. Now I will just click on OK, and Then I will go down and see how the data set is. I think there are some null values. Yeah, there are many null values. So we will need to remove them. So what we do, we will directly go to the column. Yeah, so we will directly go to the column and this unselect null, and then it automatically removes all the null value. Now we have just data points which are actual values. There are no null values, so we have 100 data points now in our data set. We have also calculated net profit. So now we will just click on create a report. Firstly, we have to give name to the data set. Actually, data set is called a semantic model in the Power BI. So I have given the dataset name, which is a Flavor Street Financial Dashboard, and now it takes some time. So before moving forward with the report, I always try to brainstorm and create a visual on paper so I can imagine which kind of visuals I should use and what kind of KPIs I should track. So here is the image which I'm attaching in the video. You can see it. There are two visuals which I planned. First one will be a line plot, which will be revenue and which will show revenue and profit trend, and second one I'm planning for bar charts, which shows a comparison of profit by location. So you can also do some brainstorming on paper. You can also take help from ChatGPT while creating your reports, and it actually works very well. Now we will just explore this option. Here are multiple options to modify your page, and here we have multiple charts. So I'm just selecting line chart because as per image I want to create a line chart, and I will just give x-axis and y-axis data points. Now I'm selecting a date for x-axis, and we can also select it by year, quarter, month, but I'm removing other option and just seeing how it works with date. And the second one will be revenue. So it's not working that well with a year because we just have 1 year. So I'm just giving a few more values like month, day, and adjusting them as per my requirement to see how it works, which is the best option. And also I selected net profit on the y-axis so that I can compare net profit and revenue together. And just you can edit the title and other options. So yeah, now I'm just adding a month as well. So yeah, it's really good. We can track revenue and profit trend according to month, and there are many options to edit which I just speed up because I do not need it that much edit. But yeah, you can explore them and edit your title, legends, and other things. Now I'm adding text box for our report. So we will add the title as a Flavor Street Financial Revenue Financial Overview, and there are multiple options like you can select a color, you can bold it, change the font, and many other options. So I'm just selecting a font which is a Arial and just adjusted the text box. Now the second one will be a stacked bar chart. I think I will be selecting 100% stacked bar chart because it's perfect for this kind of visual. But yeah, you can also try with other options. So now I will give again x-axis and y-axis data points. So on the x-axis we will have locations, and on the y-axis we will have profit. If you click on any of this location, everything changes, means it's automatically showing us a trend, what was the profit and revenue trends for particular locations on the particular days. and here are the options. So I'm just trying to see which color and font works for my values and x and y axis legends. You can explore them, it's really good, but I think it's not that much required because Power BI already takes the best possible options for us. And you can also see particular date trends, like you can, like here I am trying to show you, and here are the multiple option which we'll be exploring in the this video and upcoming videos as well, like pin and focus mode. So I will just click on save and give name to this report. I'm saving it as a Flavor Street report. Now here is the image for my plan for operational insights, and you can see I'm going to create a two visuals. First one will be a bar chart, or I can say a stack bar chart, which will compare different kind of cost with the locations. And the second one will be a pie chart, which will compare revenue by the menu. So let's move to the second page of report, which will be operational overview. Now we will be creating our second page for operational overview. So I will just click on this option and add a second page on the plus down there, and I will rename the page as a operational overview. So our first page was a financial overview. I will just try to copy this text box from our first page to second page. Yeah, so I just pressed on Control C and Control V, and I'm just editing the name, which will be a operational overview for the second page. Now I will start by adding the visual. So I will select this option 100% stacked bar chart. Last time we used the other bar chart, but I think this will be perfect for this visual. And now I will add the data points, which will be a location and different kind of cost, which are the labor cost, COGS, investment cost, and OPEX. And I will just adjust this visual on the screen in my canvas, so I can clearly see the details, and I will just show you to modify the options of modifying. You can modify them if you want. I like this kind of colors and everything because they are perfectly matching with my report. And now we will move ahead with adding a pie chart. So I just selected a option of pie chart. You can also try other options if you want, which are suitable for this kind of data points and visuals. But yeah, I'm selecting a pie chart. Now I will just try to select values or data points for x and y axis. So I'm comparing a revenue by location. So I have selected revenue and location options or values, and you can see you can compare it as per each location and menu or revenue to check. Actually, in the initial image, I was planning like with comparison of revenue, but then I thought it's better for a dashboard to add location, because I will be comparing each and everything in the dashboard by location while creating the dashboard. Now I want to add navigation button. So I will just click on this buttons option and go to navigator and add this one. I will just try to change the shape so that this can fit the page. uh, I will just adjust it and change the type of shape which I have. Just I will click on shape and select oval, so I think it looks perfectly. And just I will adjust this box so that it looks good. So we can navigate with this option. We can see the financial overview is not working because we haven't added this same thing to the financial overview. I will just copy paste it with Control C and Control V in the other page. You can also do the same. Yeah, so I'm just pasting here. Now if I click on I will have to just save it first or go to the other thing, and then it will work. So I will go to reading view for and then let's see how it works. Now I will be creating a concise dashboard, which will be the one page dashboard from this reports. So I will just select one visual and click on the pin visual option and click on the new dashboard here and give the name to dashboard. So I'm writing it as a Flavor Street dashboard, and then click on the pin so it will directly go to the dashboard. Just click on go to dashboard and you can see how it's there. So I want another visual which is the sum of revenue by location, because I wanted a location based dashboard, and I have selected these two visuals. And you can compare net profit and sum of revenue by location. You can also customize your dashboard by clicking on this edit and dashboard theme option. You can select multiple colors, edit it by adding custom colors, and upload your JSON theme, download the default JSON theme. I will just save it, and because I want the default one, I liked it. And by creating on such visual, you can directly go to the report from which they are taken, and you can also see how it looks in the mobile layout view. So you can also adjust it for a mobile viewers. And now we will be downloading our report. So just go to the report, which is a Flavor Street report, and you can also see the type of the file here. You can click on export and you can export this report in multiple options like in PowerPoint, PDF, and analyze in Excel. But we want a PBIX file, so I will go to file and click on download this file, and it automatically downloads a copy by clicking on the download option in the PBIX. It might take some time. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you might learn few things from this video. So if you have any doubts or any recommendation, you can just comment down in the comment box. And apart from that, in the next video we will deep dive into Power Query. We already seen how can we add a formula and simple steps with the Power Query, but we will learn each and everything about Power Query in our next video. So bye bye.